Hello everybody, today we like to demonstrate you our new grinding and polishing machine Qpol XL. Before I let the machine run, I like to show you the machine in the overview. Let's start with the housing. Here we have a powder coated steel housing with steel skeleton, which makes the machine very robust and stable. Then we have here acrylic glass hood, very big and important, big to have a good view inside the working area, and important regarding safety. Behind this front door we have the space for the recirculation tank or the settling tank, and what we can find here also is the cleaning tube. At the end of the day you can use this cleaning tube to clean the machine inside. Then we have here the 7-inch touchscreen display, very easy to use. Which parameters we can adjust on this touchscreen I like to show you later. In the near of the touchscreen display we have here the multifunction button. With this button you can start the machine, you can stop the machine, or you can make a pause of the machine. On the top of the right side we have the dosing unit. On our machine we have the dosing unit with all functions and all options. This dosing unit is very identical to the QDoser Go and QDoser Eco. Each bottle contains 1 liter. We have here the magnetic stirrer. You can remove every bottle totally, or you can just open the cover for filling. Behind every bottle we have a leveling warning system, and also we have here the well-known peristaltic pumps. You see, when you remove the bottle you have a very good access to the pumps, so if you need to do any maintenance or service on the pumps you have a good access. What we have here also is the LED light for a good view. Behind this door we have more or less just the valves to adjust the dosing for the working plate, to adjust the dosing for the cooling system of the working plate, or to adjust the dosing for the cleaning of the dosing arm. What we have also here is the storage for the ethanol for the cleaning station. Behind this door we have the electronic parts of this machine. Here on the corner we have the main switch for the machine, so that means with this switch you can switch off the machine or you can switch on the machine. Here you have a network connection. As next, I like to show you the machine from the inside. Here we have the grinding and polishing head with the very important electronic load cell and the mechanical system for clamping and opening for sample holder. The 350 mm working plate sits on this new designed and robust flange. The splashing ring has 2 parallel pockets which allowed us very easy access to the working plate and also to the grinding or polishing consumables. On the left side we have here the dosing arm. Here the dosing arm with 7 nozzles. 7 nozzles because we can work with 4 different diamond suspensions, 1 lubricant, 1 fine polishing suspension, and because our machine is connected to the recirculation tank we have also 1 nozzle for the water from the recirculation tank. What we have specially on this dosing arm is an automatical cleaning process for the tubes inside the dosing arm. For that, the arm is moving behind the grinding and polishing head, and there we can do the automatical cleaning of the tubes. Here in the corner we have the automatic cleaning station where we can clean the samples or the sample holder with water, air, ethanol and the cleaning boost. Cleaning boost means we can rotate the sample holder with a very high rotation to get really very clean and dry samples. On the top we have the preparation for the suction. Now I like to demonstrate a polishing step with automatic cleaning. Parameters you can adjust on the display are RPM for the sample holder, RPM for the working plate. Here you can adjust the turning direction for the sample holder. Here you can adjust which consumable you use. If you use polishing, you can adjust the dosing interval for diamond suspension for lubricant, or if you use water, you can adjust to have the water here. Here you can adjust which sample diameter you have, working plate diameter and splash ring. To adjust the cleaning process, you have the possibility to go in this menu and to adjust for the cleaning process all parameters. The grinding or polishing time you can adjust here on this field on the display. Just click on this field, adjust the time which you like to have and confirm. And the next step is to start the process with the button on the display or with the multi-function button. So now we will start the polishing step. You see, as first step, the hood is moving down. The head moves down. Now the head started turning, and what you can see, we have a pre-dosing process started. So now the head will move down till it touches the polishing cloth. So take attention on the pendulum of the head and the dosing arm. This is to have even wearing of the consumable. The pendulum of the arm allows us to have on whole consumable water or diamond suspension and lubricant. The range for the pendulum of the head is adjustable, so you are free to adjust this range. Now the head will move up and will move automatically to the cleaning station. So to avoid the water and the dirt from the polishing cloth, we let the working plate rotate very fast. So the head is now in the cleaning station. We have started now the cleaning process with water. Now we have started the cleaning process with ethanol. Here we have the air. And now the cleaning booth is started. This is really to make the sample holder or the samples really very clean and also very dry. As next, the head will move to the start position, and that we are able to remove the sample holder from the head, the hood opens. Now we can remove the sample holder from the head or change the consumable for the next grinding or for the next polishing step. So we can use the machine also as a manual grinding and polishing machine. To activate the manual mode, just press on the hand symbol on the display. The hood moves down, close the working area. As next step, the head will move over the cleaning station. The hood opens, and now we are free to start the machine and to work manually on the working plate. Thank you everybody for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed to watch the video. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact us. You can contact us via phone or email. Thank you very much. Bye.